In the little town of Breezyville, something wild was always blowing through, but nothing compared to the day the wind turned wild. It started when the sky turned purple and a gust of wind zipped through the playground, lifting jump ropes, backpacks, and even Mr. Wiggins the bulldog right off the ground. But this wasn't ordinary weather, this was a Tornado Trickster. A magical swirling wind with a mischievous mind of its own. Inside their hidden treehouse HQ, the Tornado Tots Lexi Lightning, Blaze Bounce, and Turbo Tim watched their weather alert orb flash red. "We've got a cold whirlwind," shouted Lexi, strapping on her wind boots. Blaze ripped up his spring-loaded legs, and Turbo Tim spun his propeller hat with a grin. "Let's chase the storm!" Out on their hoverboards, the Tots dodged flying lawn chairs and zoomed past cows mooing in mid-air. When they reached the center of town, they found chaos. School bugs were swirling into a paper cyclone. The ice cream truck had landed on the roof of the library, and Mayor Muffin was stuck on a weather vane yelling, "Help! Time to engage the Wind Wrangler 3000, Tim shouted. Lexi tapped her watch, releasing their robotic sidekick, Breezy, who flew into the sky with a giant vacuum funnel. "We've got to trap that trickster." But just as Breezy fired up, the Tornado Trickster cackled and unleashed a swirl of hats, balloons, and one very surprised goose. Blaze leaped onto a trampoline, bouncing up to catch the mayor while Lexi used her wind boots to skate up the side of the town fountain. Tim launched into the sky using his propeller hat, swirling around the tornado until it got dizzy. "Now, Breezy," he called with a roar. The vacuum activated, sucking the tornado into a glowing jar. The sky turned blue again. The townsfolk cheered as the Tots landed, covered in glitter, feathers, and bubblegum from the store, all in a Just as they were about to relax, the weather orb blinked again this time. Pink cotton candy clouds incoming, Tim grinned. And with that, the Tornado Tots zoomed off, ready for their next high-flying mission.